Hello everybody, this is Hina Bhatt here and I am at Sanjay Desai's studio at his residence, and here is Sanjay, and there is a surprise today. We have a whole lot of artists who are also here. First of all, you say hi to Sanjay.
Hello. Hi friends. Nice to meet you again. All thanks to Hina and her wonderful work. So we'll enjoy a demo, and I have a few of very well-known friends here. I'll also
We'll introduce
them.
you.
Yeah.
But first of all, thank you for agreeing to participate and be involved in our events. And our people just love your demo. Last time it was just great. Today we have a few friends, few artists from Mumbai and Bangalore. So we would like to even introduce them to you. They all watercolor artists, and just a second. So we have Gulshan Achari with us. Then
Madhu Kumar,
Madhu
Bangalore.
Kumar
Hello.
from Bangalore.
Myself Vijay Punkar from Mumbai.
Myself Vilas Jadhav from Mumbai.
Wonderful. So we have whole lot of artists along with us, and I'm sure they will add some inputs also during the demo. So just give us a second. We'll just do the setup and connect again. So welcome everybody. And now Sanjay Desai is going to start his demo. And switch off the volume.
I can reduce the volume.
So I hope everybody has seen the reference image which was posted on the group today, just an hour back.
Wait, we will adjust it a little bit better
Yeah.
so that.
So we have a whole lot of artists who've logged in. Anup Sinha, Daivik Srinivasan Iyengar, Neha Lohani, Yusuf Ji from Bhopal, Sailesh Meshram is there, and Penny Devasi, and many more, Suhas Wagle, Sumita Biswas. So big hello to everybody. And so as you remember, last time Sanjay had done a demo of the Tambatari of Pune, and today he's selected a street scene which was the image was taken in Nepal, and so he's chosen to give a demo of that. So
Shall I?
Yeah, you can start, Sanjay.
Okay.
I hope the audio and the video is clear to everybody. Please make comment so we are sure that all the settings are right. There is Rutuja Kulkarni from Ireland who's joined in. Sanjay, what appealed you to this reference?
I think it's a wonderful composition, and things that I like, very nice division of light and shadow,
Okay.
and apart from being a good, technically good subject, it has its own life. So there is a character to the scene.
They are saying the
Which-
screen is blinking and the image seems too close.
So that is put it off. I think that will stop.
Yeah, I think it was because of the light.
50 hertz light.
Yeah. I think the natural light seems fine, if that's okay with you.
That's better.
Yeah, now that blinking is gone.
Yeah.
I hope the image is clear now. I think you can tilt it a little, just check.
Or I can. Yeah, I think now it's better.
Yeah, the screen blinking has gone now. There was a tube light which was there above the artwork, which we've switched off. So now the blinking is gone. So is it always the distribution of light and shadows? which
Distribution,
you-
light and shadow, but over the years, I think it is the character of the place that ends up being more appealing. Than just the technical like light, shadow or composition. Time comes when you like subject for what it is.
Can you just twist it a little from the lower side?
Like this,
Uh,
the other way around.
see, this is the view. So this is getting cut here. If
Oh, okay.
you can just twist it a little.
Is it okay? Better?
Yeah. Yeah. Still, it's from that.
Huh?
It's you continue. When you're working on the lower side, maybe we'll.
Yeah, we'll adjust it.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, there is not much on lower side. It's just a plain wash.
Okay.
So it is better that we. आकाश मामाला विचार कधी येतो?
So for some our viewers who first time seeing your demo and who are first time interacting with you, can you just tell a little about yourself?
Yeah, so my name is Sanjay Desai. I am a engineer by training and by profession. I retired and now I am a full-time artist. I've been painting for a long time, but it stopped because of my career, and then I took a early retirement now to focus on painting. So for last now, I've been painting for since I was in school, but for last 10 years now, I am almost exclusively working on watercolor. And of course, I mean, I'm working with, I want to be an artist full time. So, I am from Pune, and so I do watercolors. Basically, I paint, I like to paint my city. I travel, but my main subject is my city. And because that's where I grew up and I have a lot of memories, and I love the light that's there in my city, especially these very strong afternoon lights. So
But what made you naturally draw to watercolors?
I think it was a habit. I started with watercolor, but I have done work in acrylic and oil. But earlier days we used to do a lot of plein air, and obviously for plein air watercolor had its charm. And from the time when I was learning or got interested in art, watercolor has been a very popular medium. So we had some good watercolor artists. So there was a lot of inspiration.
I think
That
in Pune we have, I think, maximum number of
Yeah,
watercolor
yeah,
artists are in Pune.
and
Overall, Maharashtra has a lot of watercolor
yes,
artists.
that's true. I think Maharashtra is very lucky that way, because I think Kolhapur, Nasik, Sangli, all these places have a very strong tradition of watercolor and basically art,
Like
and they have maintained their identity. So
True, very true. And recently I had attended one event which was all about watercolor artists from across the country,
yeah,
but there were barely any artists from Maharashtra. And so I somehow felt that the event was pretty incomplete if it didn't have artists from Maharashtra represented there.
yeah. Where was this?
This was in Delhi.
Oh, okay.
So it just felt incomplete because I think the Bengal side and here Maharashtra both are places where a lot of watercolor prevails.
Yes.
And if those artists are not represented in an event, it always feels incomplete.
So we have this watercolor gang from Mumbai.
Yeah.
Very interesting people. They have been going every weekend from Dombivli
Okay.
for, and how many years? Kalyan. 10 years every weekend. From all over Mumbai, they meet at Kalyan station.
Okay.
And they go out and
Okay.
paint. And
Wonderful.
Yes, yes.
So you've kept some name for your group, or it is just okay, plein air group of Mumbai, or how do you?
They are just so very close friends, they don't need a name. They
Okay.
just go and paint.
But then one
Very-
of them is from Bangalore,
Yeah,
correct?
so-
So even from Bangalore he visits.
No, see, Madhu is a very famous artist from Bangalore, and but he is a very close friend. So Madhu came to Mumbai to meet Gulshan, and they
Okay.
decided to travel to Pune to meet Milind and me. So that's how, and from here, Madhu is going back to.
Wonderful.
But this is not abnormal. We keep on. This is a very common occurrence, and that's the beauty of watercolor in Maharashtra.
Yeah,
Everybody
think
knows
otherwise, artists are very isolated people.
Yes,
They work in their studios. But the fact that you are doing a lot of plein air, it gives you a good opportunity to meet and interact.
And well, to tell you the truth, of course, when we are painting, we talk a lot about watercolor. But when we are not painting, we are so close friends that we don't need painting to be friends. We can talk hours without ever referring to paintings. But when we are painting, we are very serious artists. And Gulshan is, or his, the kind of effort that he puts, I think these two are my Adarsha,
Okay.
Gulshan and Manjari.
I think the discipline
Yes.
and consistency is the key also,
Yes.
correct?
Yeah.
No, it's not about it's not like going to gym. He wants to do it. It's not a deliberate effort that he should do it daily, and he just wants to do it daily. And if you know his earlier schedule, you'll be aghast. He used to work in Mumbai, come home,
Okay.
and have his dinner and start working at 10 in the night until 3 o'clock every day.
Every day.
Yes,
That's
every
amazing.
day. That's the kind of.
Dedication. That's
So we are lucky we know these people and his friends.
No, but
And
we
you-
had a lot of inspiration from both Milind sir and Sanjay sir.
okay.
So somewhere when you look
I
up
think
to-
you all are gang work. Each one is inspiring the other.
Yeah. That's what happens
You're
in
motivating
art.
each other.
Yes.
So you constantly share your artworks with each other also.
Yeah.
That really helps because
We
And
talk
in fact-
about it, we call, we talk.
Yes. In fact, we don't call each other so often. But if Gulshan doesn't post for 2 weeks, then I'm worried. क्या हो गया इसको? And then we call. कि यार Gulshan post क्यों नहीं किया?
अभी तक नहीं आया post.
हाँ, तो that's how close the.
So, but do you ever debate about art
Oh, yes.
also?
Especially-
That, do you not agree on things?
Oh yes. Especially they always visit whenever there is an exhibition. So one of us is exhibiting, and Milind's exhibition, my exhibition. Then they'll all get in a car and drive down. And during those things, there is. I wish I had called Shailesh. He would have loved to meet this.
Shailesh is watching the demo right now.
Okay.
Shailesh,
Shailesh,
we are
Shailesh.
missing you here right now.
But this is something you are doing really great, huh? Hinaji?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Obviously very encouraging, very inspiring, and I think there is a motivation for everybody to get their hands on, practice it regularly.
True.
So maybe they may not be good till one.
I
in
think
the
this
first
is at
attempt,
least
yeah, but
making
at
them develop the habit of
yeah,
painting.
yes.
every
And they're
day.
also, by the 30th day, you are very good at it.
Yeah,
You're
and
almost done better.
probably then they will inspire to start working like the brand
Yeah,
ambassadors, go plein air,
Yeah.
work from live, models or at a spot. But at least it's good to get into the groove.
Absolutely.
and work consistently.
And most of the art enthusiasts are working. They have their families and they have to, So they need this kind of inspiration to drive them. So you see a lot of my friends joining your this challenge.
Yeah. If not for anything, like this event has also helped identify a lot of other
Yes.
good artists, which it's become like a platform to
Yeah.
showcase your work also, what you are capable of. So many artists even do that. This gives them a visibility which they
Even they
need.
get a lot of chance to see similar works, different
Yeah.
from the same photograph.
Yeah, that is also another thing where how one single image is interpreted very differently by all artists. Your style is so different, and maybe somebody else works very differently.
And that comes after years of experience. So, for example, in our group, friends, nobody paints like. Even after being so close, everybody has maintained their style.
own
Nobody is absolutely, and they don't want to change it, which is a nice thing. So it is not just.
Good afternoon, Nitya. Nitya is saying hello to you.
Hello. मधु किधर है बाहर बैठा है
Had I known so many artists were there, I would
No,
have
they
done
are not
some kind of multiple session.
I would have
We were not aware about it, so that's how surprising it is. Very.
When they started, they said, no, we'll cancel it. I said, no, she will love it.
No. It's always good to have more minds around. Like the interaction makes the
Absolutely.
demo also more lively, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. And the whole idea of plein air or these exercises is to share. Otherwise, you are always doing your work in your studio.
We have Ajay Samir from Delhi who's joined in, and he's also very appreciative of your work. He's saying it's superb.
Thank you.
Already it's visible.
Oh,
So yours is not there yet?
no, Madhate without sugar. So this is the first wash I have done. And see now, this paper is Lana CP,
Okay.
but suddenly I realized that this is almost smooth finish. It's not
Not the rough one.
not the normal one, in line with the
Okay.
leveling.
Okay.
So I have to adjust on the go.
Okay.
But these things happen, and that's the fun part of it.
So would you be waiting for some time for it to dry, or
No,
you
it's
start
almost.
working?
It's dried. It's dried up.
Praful Sawant has joined in just now.
Hi, Praful.
He's saying, Mast Sanjay ji, good afternoon.
Where is he? On the globe today.
Praful Sawant ji, we want to know which part of the globe you are right now. He is one artist who is traveling really profusely.
Yes. All because of his wonderful work.
Yeah.
So,
Even you teach, Sanjay? You're taking classes now?
no classes.
But you do have workshops once in a while.
Yeah, once in a while, and if somebody comes to me for advice, I just.
Okay.
But I don't take regular classes.
Okay.
I'm 63 years old, so now
That's young.
that's young. But I think I have, and I have a lot of work to do on my own. So, lot of plans. So I thought I'll just work on my own and. Huh.
Thank you.
ए त्या मधुला दिलं का
नाही ना उद्या नाही.
हा
और सबका हो गया because I can do without it actually.
What? क्या है? नहीं हो गया सबका हो गया.
नाही नाही
No, my health के कारण मैं बोल रही हूँ कि rather avoid.
You want नहीं should you are worried don't
Yeah.
if you want something with coffee or something take.
No, that's okay.
But tea I thought should be good no.
Let's see. I'll just wait for a while.
Yeah,
Sangamitra
yeah.
Roy also has joined in.
Hello Sangamitra.
And she's saying hi to you.
She has not turned up in Pune for a long time.
She's coming. She told me she's coming
Okay.
soon. Right now she's back, but I think she'll be coming.
ते स्मिता मॅडमचा फोटो ना तेव्हा.
हो.
काढला आहे.
Sangamitra Roy is saying that yes, I'm coming by May.
Okay.
There is Joyati Bhandari who's
Yes.
saying that I'm right now watching from my factory.
Yeah. She usually goes back home by this time. She is in Calcutta.
Okay.
So we are kind of. She's also an R&D engineer like I was. So we share a lot of our pain and happiness and everything. But because she wanted to watch this, she stayed back, which is so nice of her.
Wonderful. Since Madhuji and y'all are also practicing watercolors, probably you can share some inputs or something.
Yeah. You want me to do something?
नहीं आप वो कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर आपके कोई सवाल है तो आप पूछ लीजिए हमारे व्यूअर्स को आपका एक्सपीरियंस का एडवांटेज मिल जाएगा
Madhu's work is one of the most subtlest of the works that you will see. Very unlike anybody else. But what he gets in very little tonal this thing is incredible.
I think I want to share something. I think color depends on it's a reflection of one's personality.
Correct.
So it shows by looking at color you can always say to some extent, with some experience as an artist, you can say what kind of person he is.
ओके
It reflects his personality. So I know I'm not an interesting guy. So
no that part of it I think you should let your
So-
viewers decide
And
so if you look at Sanjay ji, I know he's a bit lively person, very
Happy-go-lucky.
But you know, so and even if you see Gulshan Achari, you can see how he talks.
Very
and then
colourful.
connect to its colors. So I think to some extent it reflects. If you paint honestly with the colors,
Yeah, especially if you are
not
Huh.
biased with somebody else's color, and if you paint with your heart and soul what you like, then it reflects your color. It reflects your personality.
I think like even right now this subject must be approached by so many people but the colors you choose
Yeah,
to
will be
put
different.
in for shadows or for the darks or lights like everything matters a lot
of course.
not that you're literally trying to copy the reference but even in your choice within like to achieve a certain dark
Yes.
that really makes a lot of difference.
And I believe that if you are not, there is a problem with being very technically correct. Then if you are technically correct and you are methodical, like engineering methodology, then what you say doesn't happen. Then his own.
Yeah.
So there is like a theory.
But that also is a personality,
Yeah.
correct? That also reflects
No,
that personality.
Yes, definitely.
So
So people say, color does the work, tone
Yeah.
takes the
Credit.
But actually, color shows the personality, tone takes the credit.
Yeah.
You
yeah,
can say something like
truly.
that.
So we'll move on. I would normally take much longer, but we are in a hurry and we are not trying to show the exact thing, just show some. That is the summer. That's the sign that the summer has started. The color starts being so rock hard.
Yeah, we are facing warmer days than normally it would be
Yeah.
in February.
Madhu will be aghast with this. But I am so happy Madhu came to...
When I see Milind sir using blue,
Yeah,
bright
Viridian
color,
green. Viridian green.
I don't know.
Oh, I always tell him,
No, it's
nobody
not.
can use green the way
Yeah.
you do. I used to tell him that I don't know how he, there are times people say you should never use the green directly from the tube or, you should always mix the greens and then use. But he even uses it directly, but somewhere things just fall in place.
Yes.
Correct me if I'm wrong. I think some people ask me what is your favorite color. I say I don't have any favorite color. It's like people say, show me your friends, I'll tell you what you are. So same way,
Show the colors.
colors works together as a. It doesn't. Any color can look good if it is got surrounded by
And
colors which are complementing
Complementing
each other. So any color can look good based on what it's surrounded by.
Surrounded by. Correct.
So there is nothing called
everything is relative.
favorite. Everything is relative.
It's how each of them complement
So
and
that's how some
enhance each other.
Yeah, Milind sir and some people can manage.
Yeah.
I can't.
So I'm seeing this brush of yours has a little weird shape. So you actually cut off
Yeah.
some hair,
See, I always like this angular brush,
angular. Okay.
but they are all this size is not available. So this size I wanted about 6 millimeters. It's not available anymore.
Okay.
So I made it myself.
So you just cut it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's easy thing to know. So
Gulshanji, you have something to add?
Like,
Like he was talking, Madhuji was talking about colors
uh,
and how he feels colors are actually what shows the personality of the artist.
right.
Do you have anything else to say that what besides colors
then
can
if-
give
if
away the
colours-
artist who he
If
is?
colors show the personality, then Gulshan Azhar is Hrithik Roshan.
He keeps dancing with colors.
Yeah. And I have tried to paint like him. Very difficult to get with. Very difficult to get with his colors.
I think you should have that flair
Yes.
for it, correct? Where some colors you would want to experiment with it. Not all have the courage to play around with any color.
Yeah,
No,
I think more. It's more about intuition. So sometimes
Correct.
you just
You
feel like
respond intuitively.
you just be a little spontaneous. Okay, if you plan a lot, then sometimes it doesn't work.
Okay.
But you will have a little spark saying, or a little noise saying, that this is what you should do. And if you just go around with it, I think then everything follows.
See, I completely agree with him. What happens is, there is sometimes you get used to a particular method, recipe
Correct.
of a painting. So you use this color, this, and then do this, and use Z type and L type and H type, and then you are every painting starts looking good.
You're in comfort zone.
Correct. So comfort zone. So that's when it's time to experiment.
Plus, I think with experience, you will start listening to a painting. There are times when the painting will tell you, what to do. So
Correct.
what people think is we are doing it, but a very good, genuine painter, I would say, who is really honest with their craft, will actually listen to what the painting is saying.
Correct.
So if you do, and that is where the difference comes in. So you will see that at the end of the painting, it's like after you do your maths exam, you just in the next 10-15 minutes you recheck the paper. Okay, so artists just look at it and so if there is nothing in their plan, but then they will listen to what the painting is saying. Then they will do a little here, a little there. Sometimes they will put in some bold strokes.
Some dots and dashes,
Some
like
dots and
masala,
dashes,
garnishing.
garnishing. So the more you listen to the painting, I think the better And when you're doing watercolor, I always say there are two painters who are painting. One is you, and the other is the watercolor. And the good
Yeah,
painter
it has
is
its own mind.
And the good painter is the one which allows watercolor to do what it wants to do. So you just give maximum space to watercolor and let it do whatever it wants to do, and you just maneuver it as you go along.
ते काय आहे की मला कायम एक
Like some.
तुकाराम महाराजांचा एक अभंग आहे.
What was it?
तुकाराम संत तुकाराम त्यांचा एक अभंग आहे.
Okay.
त्यात ते काय म्हणतात की काय बोलो जाता बरळ करी सिजे नीट. सो ही सेज दॅट लोक म्हणतात माझे अभंग खूप छान आहे, बट आय ऍक्च्युअली ब्लॅबर अँड गॉड मेक्स
Okay.
God makes a poem out of it, and I actually am jabbering in that.
Okay.
So, but that experience I get sometimes that I just keep on doing something without even thinking, and you can't repeat it. It's very.
You feel you were just used as
Yes,
a channel
yes, yes,
to do
yes, yes.
something.
And that time you can only be humble.
Yeah, you can.
So rather than being very, proud about or
Proud or you try to do something like that again, you are
It
finished.
doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen. You are very humble to realize that it is not you who has done it. It has something happened and you just followed
Correct.
what happened.
Usually it happens after a lot of practice. So.
भगवान भी बोल रहे हैं कि कितने डेडिकेटेड हो आप. हाँ?
दे दो उसको कुछ यार, चुप करो.
No, I think it is like a loop in the life cycle. Okay, so for example, when you become a little older, you realize that life was only about a few things. Okay, that's when you start to let go of things. You start to give control. You start to leave around. You start sharing things with others. So, but you will have to go through the whole life cycle to come to that point where you realize that it is all about giving, rather than holding back.
पूरी लाइफ में दुनिया भर के लोगों ने बोला होगा कि
Yes,
लेट गो,
let
ये
go,
करो,
let go, yes.
करो. लेकिन हमारा रियलाइजेशन होने तक की
Yes,
जर्नी.
that journey is important. So similarly, to come to that space, I think you will have to go through all this.
Some people
There is no
know
escape.
early, some people realize it very late.
किसी को समझाने से समझ जाते हैं, किसी को बार पटक चाहिए.
No, you should be honest in your heart to really let it happen. Not because somebody is saying, if you can experience it, then
Then it stays with you. Otherwise,
the whole thing is different.
But and then I have realized what happens is that just doing your work, painting, itself becomes a joy.
Yes, yes.
So you are not really worried. I can spend 3-4 hours on my own with my cat, which has vanished.
She's just.
Yeah, so-
I was surprised how comfortably she was sleeping there. Huh?
So and then listening to music and do your thing, and you have the luxury of doing it, and then you want अच्छा नहीं हुआ यार. This is actually it's arrogance. So you just have the opportunity to do it, be grateful, and get on with the next painting. What else can you do?
आपका पैलेट भी क्लीन है मेरे से.
नहीं ये अभी आने इसलिए मैं सुबह घिस के उसको साफ किया है.
प्रिंसिपल जैसे
हाँ.
रेकी करना है कि क्या कर रहे हैं ऐसा.
I was happy that I found another person.
Last time we actually had showed our viewers your palette.
Yeah.
Okay, so ये शायद उसका असर है कि इस बार आपने पूरा साफ सुथरा रख दिया है.
No, if the paintings are not very kind of clean cut, then I don't wash my palette. Actually, this is, so for example, this color, it is impossible to make it again. If I clean it up now,
वो वापस वही
नहीं होता है, and it is so perfect at the moment and then goes away. But you can't really preserve everything that you want, so क्या करें.
Anil Sharma from Varanasi is saying namaste to you.
Namaste, Anil ji.
Yeah, surprisingly, this event, we have people participating from Dublin and from Ireland,
Oh, okay.
like from US, from Bahrain. So it is from Singapore. So,
Going global.
yeah,
It is.
we have people. In fact, even our followers have become global actually.
So it may feel like it's going a little bit slow, but we'll finish. The finishing will be very quick. So don't worry.
We have time. Our
have time,
demo
huh?
session is from 4 to 6. We've not
So
yet.
what time?
It's not yet 5 also.
So no problem.
It will only give some more opportunity for more stories to be shared with the followers. Niladri Ghosh is saying it's lovely.
Hello. And who else is there?
So many people have joined in right now. And there's Anjana Datta, there's Tejashree Ranade. She's saying,
Oh yeah, Tejasri.
she's saying we are very grateful for such demos and interactions with great artists like this.
She's pulling my leg probably.
Is it?
She is our friend,
Okay.
gang member.
Gang member. Then there is Sandeep Joshi who is saying hello. There is Tejas Janardhan. Your work is always inspirational, sir, especially your separations of shade and lights. Tejas is saying this.
Yeah, thank you, Tejas. So this is what I'm doing is pure instinct and or being a little bit irresponsible. Actually, it works very nicely.
So you're scratching out with
Yeah,
a
scratching
palette
out
knife.
with a palette knife.
Wonderful.
So now there is a shape that I can see, which is creating the composition, right? Which I will be creating here, and then it will come out hopefully.
Actually, I'm very amazed with the range of brushes you have here. Like, there is a whole lot of brush. I think this was a brush which people would use for varnishing. Huh? And I think you're
That is
using
a-
it for your watercolors.
Yeah, especially the big one.
Yeah,
See,
it's-
the large brushes are required even for small paintings, especially in summer. Just dries up so quickly here. So you need them. And nobody asks questions why you need art material. I actually tell my wife that I'm going out, I'm bored. I'm going to Artist Katta and buy some things.
That's
Yes.
That's the.
Do you want something, huh?
Yes.
Do you want something from
Just
Yes.
like foodies, no, they want a restaurant.
Yeah.
No, there was like, even with me, there was, when I was young, my pocket money, maximum amount was getting spent only in stationeries.
Yes.
All kinds of art material and all. This was right from school. So I
You
think
never-
it charges us
Yes.
up, correct? Whenever we visit some art shops like this.
And I
Not
have
just that,
learned.
when you go, na, you get also get some ideas. Okay, you look at some materials.
True. एंड आई थिंक आजकल का जो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग है ना उसमें वो किक नहीं मिलता है. यू नो व्हेन यू एक्चुअली लुक एंड फील एंड टच एंड यू नो वो जो पूरा डिस्प्ले देख के जो सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है, इट्स अ प्लेजर बाय इटसेल्फ.
And especially when you have excellent salesman like our Mr. Patwardhan and अपने ये Goenka ji. Goenka ji will sell ice to Eskimos. Oh,
Yeah.
and he will tell all the technical details and you will really of course it works. I'm not saying that.
Online buying is something I think it's like more process oriented.
Yeah.
So you go and see the product, you review, compare, do all research, then you buy. But you never have a feeling to it.
Yeah,
So
like
when
there
you
is
go
one person
to
here
a
who's
shop, you feel it, you never care for the price. You don't look at the reviews.
correct.
It's just a feeling. With a feeling you buy it.
Yeah, there's one lady here, Sanika. She's saying buying art material is like therapy.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I think हम आर्टिस्ट को तो डेफिनेटली once in a while जाके सिर्फ वो देख के that feast to the eye itself is amazing.
First time today we went to before going to Milind sir studio, we went to Artist Kata. because
Okay.
He was not yet in the studio, so we
Okay.
just went around and Artist Kata we went. I bought something. Then we came out. After going back, after we saw him and he left, and then somebody wanted to buy something else. So I went, again I bought something.
Okay.
Now, and then I told him, if I stay for more, my pocket will fill.
Seriously, मैं like whenever we go, प्लान होता है XYZ लेने का, लेकिन A to Z सब लेने को हो जाता है काफी बार. छोटा बिल तो होता ही नहीं है. So sometimes you know I would send somebody else कि आप आज सिर्फ इतना जो लिखा है वो ही लेके आओ. If I go, I will end up buying the whole thing.
And other things what I bought today, actually I have those things in the studio. I'm still minded.
हाँ कभी काम आ जाएगा होना चाहिए पास में है ना टिपिकल एक्सक्यूज
Sailesh is saying your shadows are amazing. And Tejas Janardhan is asking you, he wants to know that you're using ultramarine blue directly in shadow areas.
No, there is a lot of
What are
mixture.
you currently applying?
There is ultramarine. There is something called a pyrrole,
Orange.
transparent pyrrole orange.
Okay.
Then there is I don't know. ये क्या है? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? नहीं, that cobalt turquoise.
Okay.
Then crimson. So lot of other stuff I'm mixing. I hardly ever use pure color unless it is just sky or something. And it's true that I keep on. I mean, this I heard from masters. We keep on adjusting the temperature rather than color.
Correct.
The idea is to adjust the
Warm and cool.
yeah. So now this would not happen in case of proper CP paper. है ना? I think I'll add something here कि ये बहुत ही प्लेन हो रहा है.
But I think eventually things do fall in place. You will find some, like as you are saying, you respond to the paper, what it is.
Correct. And in fact, we feel this is a fallacy that we feel that we are in control. We are not in control. So sometimes the disaster is bigger, sometimes it is manageable. तो हो जाता है.
Sometimes the accidents are very pleasant also.
Yeah. In fact, most of the times, majority of times, the nice things that happen are by accident. So, very clearly, there is no two ways about it. Because you can't repeat it.
And I think, as he said, the interaction is when you identify that there is a pleasant accident and you interact
Leave
with
it.
the paper and you allow it to stay. You know, not,
Exactly. And sometimes we have a goal in our mind and we end up trying to achieve that goal without looking at the intermediate stages. Most of the time the intermediate stage is actually far
Correct.
more interesting than the goal that is there in our mind.
like in a daily competition right now, I see the fact that we ask them to post the stages.
Correct.
For some artists, I feel
Yes.
that they should have
Stage.
stopped at the stage
Correct.
before. They
Absolutely.
shouldn't have gone further.
Yes.
That little extra bit of work kills. For some artists, initially जो bold application हो जाता है, फिर वो बाद में minute वो करने लगते हैं.
It's a human tendency, but you get with experience, everybody learns that. See, for example, you are doing a portrait, and then you are doing some nose or something, and you are stuck in some, and then you are stuck there.
Correct.
Actually, you just leave it
It
and
could have been like
yeah. This was the lesson by Ajay. I don't know what happens, and the character comes out so correct. So I think it's all comes to watching people paint, masters. Not only their paintings, but when you watch them paint actually, then it's a one of the best learnings.
Vilas Jadhav is commenting from outside.
That's Vilas.
He's watching the demo from outside and he's commenting here.
It's like going to an art shop and ordering online from the same art shop.
But then sometimes they have better offers online, correct?
Correct.
So you see the whole spread of things there and then order online.
No, I have done it. उसका ही वाईफाई लेके.
उसका ही Wi-Fi है.
But all and one of the most kind of wonderful things that we have here in Pune, and especially Art World, is the art material dealers and all wonderful
They
people.
guide also.
We are extremely grateful to all of them. I cannot even imagine. Earlier we used to have these shops.
Chai.
अरे,
So you want this color actually?
हाँ?
ये color चाहिए ना?
If you need to take a break, you can take a break, finish your tea.
आकाश.
Till then, I will even show your palette and brushes to our audience.
आकाश. झोपला काय? नाही अरे त्याला जरा किरकोळ ताप आहे. ही लास्ट पुट इट इन. या काय अरे ते चहा विसरलो मी तर एक मिनिट 20 सेकंदावर ठेव. नाही नको काय
I think they want the camera shifted a little
तू
because now you're working on this side, no?
नहीं पीछे नीचे कुछ ज्यादा नहीं है सो बट एनीवे आई विल डू दैट
Yeah, it's fine actually now. The whole paper is same. It's amazing, huh? The light and shade,
Yeah, that's why
so lively.
Nepal has a wonderful light, huh? You know? Quality of light is wonderful. Yeah, you can.
So right now, till Sanjay sir is going to take a break, he'll have his tea. I'll just show you. See this, all the details little closer. Yeah, and I also want to show you his palette. So this is his palette, and he cleaned up his entire palette today so that he can, have all fresh colors. And here he has a whole range of brushes. Some are very interesting brushes. He also has some interesting tools. He uses cards and other things to scratch out. There are sponges lying around here. There are 2 huge pots for water and a lovely stand here also, which is for his immediate brushes which he uses regularly. They are accessible. There are spray cans, and there is a hair dryer on that side, and that's his light, his reference. So his setup is all in such a way that everything is just reachable and handy.
I have not designed it. It has organically
Grown.
like a mushroom.
Okay. But it's all at arm's length.
Yeah. But being a design engineer in the past has helped in.
So I think till you finish your tea, I will also show them some of your work.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here we have some artworks. And this is also very nice, and
Sketchbook.
yeah, and I'll show you his sketchbook also.
That's not this one, sir.
Huh?
That is the very old one.
Okay. There are some very beautiful artworks.
Sketchbooks are always interesting.
Yeah.
I think.
These are the
And
sketches.
yeah, this is his sketchbook, which has some very interesting sketches.
And I'll show you some. This is Gauri.
Okay.
Gauri again. So these are photos I take. This is during Monday. This is Milin.
Hmm.
And this is Praveen. Praveen Karmakar.
Oh yeah.
So this is Vidyut.
Mm-hmm.
So this is Aniket. You know Aniket Mahale? This is him, Brajmohan.
Yeah. Rajmohan Arya.
So ऐसा मेरा sketchbook है. I work a lot on, and these are some tonal studies
Studies.
with grace.
So there are some very beautiful works here.
हे दोन ग्रेज डॅनियल्स पिक्चर हा कुठला तरी
Again, this is Praveen Karmakar. That's his own portrait.
John Brilliant one.
Lovely. That's a nice color study. It's wonderful.
Horizon Blue. हे डॅनियल स्मिथ नाहीये पण आता ह्यातले बरेचसे आले.
And I think I want to show you more of his watercolor artworks also, which are here.
But one of the best there is this
See this?
transparent pyrola.
It's just his
Fantastic.
bold strokes which are very
Right,
appealing
right.
and creating a lot of impact.
Daniel Smith.
How many of these you've actually done on location?
Very few.
Very few?
Very few.
You mostly work from pictures too?
Yes.
Okay.
If they are from outside the city, Jaipur, Udaipur, then one of the problems I have is that I like the light on hot afternoons.
Correct.
So it's very difficult to.
Top light. You prefer top light.
Yeah.
Lovely. Beautiful works.
He started again.
Huh?
So you're starting to work right now?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Just give us a minute. We'll set it up again.
Oh yes.
It's fine. I think you can
Fine.
just bring the mobile a little closer so that one image is seen a little bigger.
Or
It's
we can-
perfect, but yeah, I think it's fine. Let them get the whole view.
Okay. So we'll do a little bit of detailing,
Yeah.
which is the essence of this. I think the clutter is the
I think that builds the character of the place,
yeah.
correct?
And technically speaking, it also creates that kind of
Connectivity between
connect.
forms.
It is a connecting and perspective.
Yeah.
If you play it right, then it creates a very nice
Like
perspective.
what fascinated me about Nepal when I was there were the amount of those cables and wires on the streets, and they are so huge. Like I would think that the pillar should be coming down with the load of the wires hanging on it. It's amazing. In fact, even recently in Jodhpur when we were there, it was like that same. The amount of cables going crisscross everywhere.
You see that in Old Delhi.
Yeah.
Old Delhi also is like that.
Like I sometimes wonder that in case किसी के यहाँ का केबल का कुछ कनेक्शन खराब हुआ,
How do they find out?
even identify इसमें से कौन सा केबल है? Because there's so many of them. It's just amazing. Like people normally say that when you are having some very strong light and shade in your subject, they squint to see the tones clearly. So you do that even when you're seeing
Yes.
the
Painting.
reference here?
Yes, yes. See, when I say I don't do much plein air, but all my references are mostly, 99% of my references are my own.
Correct.
So I spend a lot of time
Clicking and
clicking and observing. So usually for a subject it takes around 5-10 clicks,
Correct.
and then I organize my painting.
And composition, yeah.
Yeah. Many times I go back because I feel that okay, it will be better in the evening or
The light,
when the
light
shadows from
which
this
you
side.
want, yeah.
So I go back, and that itself is a very kind of enjoyable experience.
True, I agree. Like recently, this Jodhpur trip, we went, the first day we
Yeah.
went in evening, and I said, no, this subject needs
Yes,
stop light.
correct.
We should be clicking it between 10 and 2 p.m. only, because otherwise these tall buildings, if the sun goes down a little more, you don't get the play of light and shade. So when the
And,
lanes are very narrow, only the top light adds drama.
And not unfortunately, I won't call it unfortunately, the fact is that we have very narrow lanes.
Correct.
So you are 1 hour late in taking photographs, photograph, and it's gone.
True, very true.
So
You had your tag, yeah?
Thank you. Like, we clicked the street when the sun was little down,
Correct.
say between 4:30 and 6, and the next day we clicked the streets between 10 and 2. There was so much of difference. in the
completely, yes,
subject.
yes.
So much of difference. Like
Yes,
right now, we had explored the first day a lot with the enthusiasm, okay, but then it was not correct light. So it was like, had it been a correct light, the same subject would have been just mind blowing.
Well, you need a lot of luck for that, or you have to
Sometimes it's just a cloudy,
Yeah.
overcast day, and you don't get any shadows.
That's why if you go out in a car or a scooter with a watercolor artist, it's very difficult. They will stop every 2 minutes, take a photo, because they know if this is lost, if you decide नहीं होता है
आने
वो,
के time
it
पे वो
is
नहीं
gone,
होता है.
it's gone.
It is-
Once it is gone, it's gone. So
I fully can
Sympathize.
relate to this feeling because I have done that. My family tells, तुम इतना अचानक से बोलती हो स्टॉप
अरे
स्टॉप
नहीं,
ये क्लिक करना है, अरे वो एक्सीडेंट कर देगा यार.
So a 2-day trip becomes a 3-day trip, है ना? Stop and go, stop go.
नहीं क्योंकि क्या है कि
But then they cannot understand कि
They
हमको
cannot.
वही एंगल में वही लाइट में वो फोटो चाहिए, not in any. थोड़ा आगे चले गए तो भी वो सही नहीं है,
जरा उधर रुकता हूँ, उधर जगह है. नो, आप भी इधर रुको.
अभी इधर ही रुको. True, I have done that a lot. I know that.
And watercolor artists know how precious is a good subject to paint.
Correct.
This is one of the most precious things that a watercolor artist can have.
Vilachi. Vilachi.
In our case, na Sanjay ji, it is always Vijay ji who takes photographs.
Is it?
हाँ, I forget to take photographs. If painting references अगर site बंद हो जाएगा तो I will have
The
to grow the
point-
habit of taking photographs.
दूसरा इतना it's such a another thing that is painful is that you cannot tell even your closest friend कि उधर जाकर और उधर का ऐसा फोटो निकालो.
Doesn't work.
Nobody else can see what you see. You
That is
have to
true,
get out
that
of
is
the car,
true.
and there is nobody else who can do it for you. So
And even the angle in the same spot, if you make somebody stand and click, वो ऊपर नीचे टेढ़ा मेढ़ा क्या एंगल में वो रखेंगे, उसमें पूरा कॉम्पोजिशन या पूरा चीज बदल जाता है.
it's very frustrating कि अरे ये खंबा ऐसा
If
चाहिए.
I have to tell somebody to click ना, मैं बोलती हूँ फ्रेम में ये काट लो, ये आना चाहिए, ये नहीं चाहिए. You know, I'm very difficult that way to please.
जी आपका कैमरा बड़ा मस्त है.
Also, if you don't spend time ना,
मेरा कैमरा मेरा सिंपल मोबाइल है.
Why did you put?
मैं
आईफोन है क्या?
आईफोन ही यूज करती हूँ. मैं बड़े बड़े कैमरा स्टार्टिंग में लेके जाती थी, फिर उसको संभालने में ज्यादा तकलीफ होती
सही
है.
बात है.
एंड वो क्लिक हो तब तक सब्जेक्ट आगे पीछे निकल जाता है. हमारे ये सब स्ट्रीट सीन्स में इट्स यू नीड टू रिस्पॉन्ड फास्ट.
और आजकल के मोबाइल कैमरा भी SLR से भी अच्छे
Yeah, absolutely. नहीं, ठीक है. If sometimes you need.
सतीश मोरेचा फोन 1,30,000 सैमसंग का, और उसका रिजल्ट SLR से भी अच्छा.
It is, and it's very like I don't have to spend time adjusting the technical कि aperture या shutter speed adjust करूँ ताकि मुझे वो perfect essence दिखे. तब वो fraction
there
of
are-
the moment में हमें click करना रहता है to get
Correct.
it right.
नहीं, there are certain advantages क्योंकि होता क्या है कि especially you want a big picture ना wide. Mobile distorts it a lot,
हाँ.
है ना? Especially when you have vast kind
How
of
to correct the
wide
Wide
हाँ,
angle.
wide angle. Then उससे distortion होता है.
हाँ, और
And
perspective
many
भी
times you
बड़ा
will feel,
narrow जाता
you will
है.
see that a lot of artists because they paint from mobile, that distortion is part of the
part of the
painting.
composition.
Actually, you can see that ऐसा वो पूरा ये हो गया है. It looks nice in the beginning, but
हाँ,
once
in the
you,
beginning.
हाँ, it starts feeling कि गड़बड़ हो रहा है.
But
प्रिया तो
maybe
मेरे को-
now the updated mobiles वो distortion भी correct होता है. Even if while clicking नहीं हुआ तो भी if you have that eye and that
Correct,
sense,
correct.
you can rectify whatever
नहीं अभी क्या
perspective जो भी.
है? I heard now, I have not tried it, but I heard that there are now photo modification apps which will do the perspective correction.
No, but now you don't even need those apps. The mobile का inbuilt feature में ही all these things are there.
Is it?
I don't need to go to an app to modify it.
So which mobiles are these?
I mean, मैं तो जो use कर रही हूँ,
उसमें है?
everything is there.
keep life simple. अच्छा रहेगा. ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करना.
वो आपके लिए अच्छा है ना, हमको नहीं करता है. उसका पेंटिंग देख के समझते हैं उसको अच्छा है, वो कर सकता है, हम एडवाइस ले सकते हैं.
And now he's adding strokes which complicate the. So he's definitely not going to take your advice right now.
No, but I seriously sometimes think that not to copy or anything, but how they think. इसके लिए जो established artist हैं, उनका workshop attend करना चाहिए. कि जाके कि how they think.
You don't need to paint now. AI has come. So perspective, not only perspective, it will also create paintings.
नहीं, लेकिन वो तो that's a whole which I still don't agree. I don't think AI can replace that human creativity and. देखो,
It's all man-made. It's all-
AI
they be
will
man-made,
respond.
na?
AI will respond to existing data it has.
It has got algorithm.
हाँ.
Finally, it has
But
got
so
algorithm.
it will only be a logical response to whatever. Humans have the luxury to be illogical, correct? हम एक मिनट में ये करना चाहिए, next मिनट में कुछ और करना चाहे. So we can.
No,
Human
human mind will. अभी आज मैंने देखा, आपको पता है क्या करते हैं लोग? So that their search and everything is not affected by
AI.
AI.
Yeah.
Or their profile doesn't go. So what the AI, there is a kind of self imposed regulation that these, if there are bad words in the conversation or data, it will not take it.
It modifies itself.
No, it will not take that data if there are these bad words, 4-letter words. So what they do is, they do a 20 and then they just put 4 bad words in the conversation without context. या को पता नहीं चलता है और डिलीट कर देता है. Human genius is, you can't beat that.
And also, as you draw more and more, you start distorting your lines and perspectives. So I call it logically wrong, but visually correct.
Yes.
They say no, you
Oh,
wish
yeah,
to
yeah.
break the rules to get that own personal creative.
That distortion, even AI cannot do it. It's
But
spontaneous.
once मधु जी,
हाँ.
once एक बार कहीं जा रहे थे हम एयरपोर्ट पे, मिलिंद ने मेरे को एक पेंटिंग दिखाया. मिलिंद मेरे को कभी पेंटिंग नहीं दिखाता. He will never come out and say, Sanjay, see my painting. ऐसा कभी नहीं.
हाँ.
Those, I mean, when we were children, we used to do it. But इस बार में संजय देख. And simple it was था ऐसा ये वो boat and he said one of his students made that painting in 3 commands. ये light, ये subject, Milind Mulit style painting, and you could not make it. You asked Milind. It was terrifying.
I am aware of it, but I feel you should not acknowledge and वो prompt को कोई patent करने की बात कर रहे थे.
हाँ.
ओके, तो मैंने बोला आप ही वो बोलोगे कि ये प्रॉम्प्ट से हाँ ये नियरेस्ट है मेरे स्टाइल का, तो उसके पास तो खजाना आ गया ना.
Correct.
करेक्ट. देन द एक्चुअल आर्ट लूजेस इट्स वैल्यू व्हेन
नहीं, like I'm sure
में ये सब हो रहा है. तो
मधु को पता होगा, when the www.com
हाँ.
वो हो गया था, what people did to our company, Kirloskars. These people who just booked all the Tata, Kirloskar Oil Engine, ये
Yes,
Bajaj
some
Auto,
URL
they booked the
का-
names.
URL book.
500 रुपए लेके.
Register
And
किया.
Kirloskars had to pay. They had to change the name of the company from Kirloskar Oil Engines to Kirloskar. Because he said, unless you pay me a few crores, I'm not going to give you the...
Domain उन्होंने lose
Domain.
कर
That was domain name.
No, Khadi. I'll tell you the story of Khadi. Somebody.
Khadi, yes, Khadi.
Khadi, they registered Khadi.com, one company. So actually Khadi society in India का government Khadi society या कुछ
खादी ग्रामोद्योग सोसाइटी.
they couldn't register that, and they had to buy with paying a lot of amount.
Correct. This has
Yeah,
become
this
one
is-
way of earning money.
I don't understand why it should be.
Forcing
And now the domains, they will say ki you have bought .com. Do you want to buy
.in,
.in also? Now even those companies are encashing on it. They will ask you to buy the whole range connected with your name.
Sanjay ji, while finishing touch, what precautions you are taking now? Rather than starting now.
Actually, yes, that is, I'm not और प्रिकॉशन यानी
क्योंकि अभी मतलब ये आपको ऐसा देखना है कि ओवर रिएक्ट भी नहीं होना है और कहीं ना कहीं वो फिनिश की तरफ जा रहा है।
करेक्ट
तो अभी हाथ कंट्रोल चल रहा है, पहले कंट्रोल नहीं।
Correct.
हाँ, पहले फ्री चल रहा था जब
Yes,
स्टार्टिंग
yes,
में। तो उस मायने में कुछ बता।
See, I think after some experience and when you realize that it basically it's like cooking कि इतना करने से हो जाता है, if you overcook it तो एक सेंस आ जाता है कि beyond that will be over. So it's purely experience and I don't think there is shortcut. And even now, I end up overworking so many times. So I think the best way is to
Overwork and then realize that you overwork.
yes,
No,
or you know,
control to do
no. What I do, you know, एक ऐसा एक स्टेज आता है कि अब ये this is now the next 10% it is end. हाँ? तो उधर से चला जाने का
हाँ,
with चाय पीने.
Take a break.
Yes, yes.
हाँ,
You
और
have to,
देखने
you
का
have
बाद में, हाँ।
to take this away from your, you know.
eyesight।
हाँ, क्योंकि वो इतना देख के इतना ये हो जाता
You're so
है.
involved
उसका
with
blind-
this.
हाँ,
So I regularly do that. I go away and have a cup of tea.
Usually what I do is, I'm an engineer, so मेरा mind process oriented है and more of a logical. So even though my left brain is more stronger because I worked in industry for 20 years, so obviously that is as more stronger compared to right brain. So what I do generally is first 70-80% when I go for plein air also, I try to apply, I'll be more free and so it gives a freedom to play with my right brain. So I don't complete most of the time on location. So I come back home after 1 or 2 days, last 10%, 20% I use my logical brain. So I look at all the process where every brush stroke is calculated. So try to make it more what I want to
Achieve.
tell with that painting. So first 80% is more, I do more with right brain. Last 10-20% I apply my logical so that I can convey what I want to tell and it is more accurate.
Okay.
That's because I am using what I have learned throughout my life, so I am applying. It differs from person to person. There's
Yes.
nothing.
It's a different
So
Do you spend so much of time in between processing and thinking, Sanjay?
See, I tried that and it was fun. But over the time I have kind of concluded that this free hand and animated way of painting is my way of painting. I am not saying this is right or that is wrong or anything, because there are people who do amazing work in a very slow manner. But I just can't be slow. I
You
don't
need to
know.
respond spontaneously.
And what? Yeah, personality.
what works for you?
Yeah, exactly. And another thing is, in fact, I feel if I take too much time, it spoils. It starts seeing कि ये गड़बड़ हो गए हैं. ऐसा है.
No, you have to find your own way what works for you. That's
But
all.
first of all, let me tell you, all during these workshops and like we are talking or interview or something, artists talk as if they are in full control. तक इसका कंट्रोल नहीं रहता है. एग्जैक्टली ऐसा नहीं रहता है. किसी का कुछ कंट्रोल नहीं रहता है. वो जो हो जाता है हो जाता है. हाँ. तो that actually gives the new beginners and this sense of awe or false होप और फॉर समथिंग कि नहीं इनको तो जो करते हैं वो अच्छा ऐसा नहीं होता है.
I think somewhere even जब वो पूरा पेपर फ्रेश क्लियर होता है तब शुरुआत करने से उसके पहले भी एक अनईजीनेस डिस्कम्फर्ट रहती है कि क्या ये सही जाएगा क्या ये मैं
First few strokes are the most terrifying, and I mean I have no problem in admitting I throw away dozens and hundreds of paintings every few months. No, what is the point? So
Even I don't do a painting if I don't get that butterfly. तो चाहिए. So even if I'm doing a demo, I would be very happy to take somebody else giving me reference and telling me, can you paint this? Rather than, I
वो
can.
चैलेंजिंग लगता है.
हाँ, because see, you just try
Freshness.
see this butterfly is a part of.
Approach it in a very fresh way.
Butterfly is a normal thing.
तो अच्छा बॉलिंग को खेलने के लिए डर का बैट्समैन तो फिर क्रिकेट क्यों खेलने का है ना.
If you think too much and go, no, that freshness is not there.
See, I would put it this way: the objective is not making a great painting.
Enjoy.
The whole objective is, experiencing, what you are enjoying, or what you are
Enjoying
going
the process.
through.
Process of creation.
Process of creating.
So, for example, while Sanjay sir has done this painting, so this is an output that we look at, but what he has gone through in those 2
Yeah.
hours is what really matters to him. At the end, you will get something like this, okay, or some other thing.
Rutuja Kulkarni is saying big thanks to Sanjay sir for such a wonderful and knowledgeable demonstration.
Thank you.
Then we also have many others who commented. They love the colors used in the shadows. It's an excellent work. This is absolutely brilliant. Each brushstroke is a delight to watch.
Thank you. Shall we close it?
Yeah, I think it's
Signature?
amazing. It's amazing. Brilliant.
We also had a wonderful discussion and enjoyed
It was-
Very interactive. And thanks to all of your presence, we could interact on more subjects and topics. And thank you, Sanjay ji.
My
That
pleasure.
was a brilliant
And,
demonstration. Just
Thank you. I
outstanding.
think
Sanjay ji.
friends and Hina ji, we should do it more often. Whether there is a workshop or a challenge or anything, we should meet up more often and
Yeah.
spend more time discussing painting and
I think discussing on a casual note,
yeah.
not like a formal interview.
Yeah, absolutely.
And
That's why I told
really
him
makes
that
a lot
it's
of
not a-
difference.
It's not a UPSC interview. आ जाओ.
Wonderful.
But
And I
what paper of UPSC now?
I wish Milind was here. I wish.
Oh yes, he
Shailesh
would have
was here.
added more inputs.
Yeah.
Shailesh has been constantly watching, but there's been no comment except for excellent work.
वो बाद में मिलेगा.
हाँ.
वो बोलेगा, बाद में मिलता हूँ.
So friends, you are able to see this now a direct view. I will take a photograph and post it on the group. And I just want to show you some of the details. There is, see, if you observe, there is minimalistic work here, just a few strokes, and I think everything has just fallen in place. It's just brilliant. Like even if you see these places, there is only a suggestion of the head and the trouser. The rest is left to your imagination to fill in. It's just brilliant. Thank you so much. So you have anything else to say to our viewers?
No, thank you, Hina. Thank you, my friends. And I request Hina to do this kind of interaction more often.
It's
I
a
think,
pleasure for me
I
too.
think the more informal it becomes, the more interesting and knowledgeable it becomes.
Yeah.
So great having you. Thank
And
you very
with
much.
all of your support, I'm sure we'll be able to do much more. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. stay tuned and we'll catch up for more art. See you. Bye bye.